Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Jetski Cowboys out on the Columbia. So, summer's almost over. We're a little bummed out, but hell, those bulls don't care when we ride them. Kasky, this guy's a nut. Yeah, he's old school. Yep. Me and this bud went to school when we were little cheeselets, where we're itching our daddy's jeans. But other than that, yeah, he's a cowboy. John, he might make it, we don't know. Yeah, there's a chance. I mean, fucking Crescent Bar, oops, sorry about the language, won't swear anymore. But Crescent Bar, they don't allow a lot of crap. They charge you for everything. You fart, it's $5. You got to take a leak, that's another $5. But till then, I mean, exactly. Jetski Cowboys!
Yep. Am I initiated now?
Yep, you're a cowboy.